Creating orders. For adding stock to products you've registered, go to Inventory mode and click Create Orders. There are two ways to create orders: manual upload and bulk upload. Let's look at manual upload. Under Order Details, enter the total number of cases to be added to stock. Next, select the inbound source. This is how your products are coming into the warehouse for stock addition, whether they're coming from Trillium, being picked up by your warehouse team, or being dropped off at the warehouse. Select the appropriate option. For this example, let's say we're dropping off 10 cases at the warehouse. Select Drop Off and add 10 cases. Make sure the total number of cases matches the number of cases for the product sources. If you want to select multiple sources for the same order, you can do that too. For example, if you're dropping off 4 cases and the other 6 are coming from Trillium, select Drop Off and add 4. Then select Trillium and add 6. Again, always make sure the total matches. For this order, let's stick to Drop Off. Since we're dropping off 10 cases, we select 10 cases. Under Product Allocation, select the registered product that you want to add stock to. Enter the quantity for the drop-off, and then select the drop-off date, which is the date your products will arrive at the warehouse. If there are no pickup or drop-off instructions, select No Instructions. If you have instructions specific to your order, you can enter them in the appropriate box. Once everything is complete, click Create Inventory Order. This creates an order for your warehouse team to action. Once your products are received and processed by your warehouse, you'll see the order status update, and the inventory will be reflected in your available stock. Now let's create inventory orders using bulk upload. First, select the correct inbound source for the template you want to download. If all products are coming from Trillium, select Trillium. If products are being dropped off, select Drop Off. If your products are arriving from multiple sources, you can select all types. For this example, we'll stick with Trillium. Download the CSV template. Within the template, you'll notice the order group. The order group allows you to upload multiple products as a single batch, which means your warehouse can view, process, and add multiple products under one inventory addition order. If you have separate shipments, you can assign different order groups. However, in most cases, you'll use a single order group, so your warehouse receives everything as one batch, making it easier to verify and process. Next, enter the shipment type, which in this example is Trillium, followed by the Trillium date. For each product SKU, enter the shipment type, the shipment date, the number of full cases, and then the SKU followed by a colon and the number of cases. In this example, we're adding 10 cases for the first product SKU, so under Trillium products, we'll enter SKU:10. We'll add 10 cases for the second product SKU, and another 10 cases for the third product as well. For the fourth product, let's add a partial or lab case along with the rest of your cases. Under the Trillium Cases column, you'll add the total number of cases, which is 11 total cases, and that includes the lab case. Under Trillium Products, you'll enter SKU:11, and under the Trillium Partial Products column, you'll enter SKU:7. This means you're requesting to add 11 total cases for that product, where 10 are full cases, and 1 is a partial case containing 7 units. The number of units within each full case is automatically determined by the category you have assigned to that SKU. Once your upload sheet is complete, save the file as a CSV or Excel file and upload it into Jump. Before confirming the upload, click the Preview CSV button. Jump will validate the file and let you know if something needs your attention. Jump will also prompt you to review any partial cases you're requesting to add. In this example, it's reminding us that on row 4, one of the 11 cases is a partial case containing 7 units. So once it's approved, the system will add 10 full cases and 1 partial case with 7 units, not 11 full cases with an additional partial case. Once you've verified everything, click Confirm Bulk Upload. Jump will notify you that your bulk inventory order has been successfully created. In this example, one batch order containing 4 products has been submitted without errors. You can now view your orders. You have successfully created a manual order and a bulk upload order. Once your warehouse team receives the drop-off in Trillium shipments, they'll process them on their end. As each order is completed, you'll see the status update in Jump, and the stock addition will automatically be reflected in your inventory.